Socket Mobile Incorporated. Stock A by Socket Mobile Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position, whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy candidate to a hold accumulate. SCKT is overvalued compared to its price of $20.68 per share, has about average safety, and is currently rated a hold. Recommendation: Rec Hold Rec reflects the cumulative effect of all the VectorVest parameters working together. These parameters are designed to help investors buy safe, undervalued stocks, rising in price. Value at current price: $20.68 current value. $1.26. SCKT has a current value of $1.26 per share, compared to a price of $20.68 per share. This stock is currently overvalued. Value is computed from forecasted earnings per share, forecasted earnings growth, profitability, interest, and inflation rates. Upside potential: relative value RV very POORRV is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. SCKT has an RV of 0.01, which is very poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. This indicator is far superior to a simple comparison of price and value because it is computed from an analysis of projected price appreciation 3 years out, AAA corporate bond rates, and risk. Safety: relative safety RS fares is an indicator of risk. SCKT has an RS of 0.91, which is fair on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RS is computed from an analysis of the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, debt-to-equity ratio, sales volume, business longevity, price volatility, and other factors. Timing: relative timing RT excellent. It analyzes a stock's price trend. SCKT has a relative timing of 2.00, which is excellent on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RT is computed from an analysis of the direction, magnitude, and dynamics of a stock's price movements day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter, and year over year. If a trend dissipates, RT will gravitate toward 1.00. Overall rating: value safety timing VST very good is the master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. SCKT has a VST rating of 1.35, which is very good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. VST is computed from the square root of a weighted sum of the squares of RV, RS, and RT. Stocks with the highest VST ratings have the best combinations of value, safety, and timing. Stop price: $7.28 stop is an indicator of when to sell a position. SCKT has a stop of $7.28 per share. A stock's stop is computed from a 13-week moving average of its closing prices and is fine-tuned according to the stock's fundamentals. CI Comfort Index very good C is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and/or lengthy price declines. SCKT has a PSI of 1.34, which is very good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. PSI is based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. GRT earnings growth rate. GRT reflects a company's 1 to 3 year forecasted earnings growth rate in percent per year. SCKT has a forecasted earnings growth rate of -10.00%, which VectorVest considers to be very poor. EPS, earnings per share. EPS stands for leading 12 months earnings per share. SCKT has a forecasted EPS of -83 per share. VectorVest determines this forecast from a combination of recent earnings performance and traditional fiscal and/or calendar year earnings forecast.